Um, Exercise 4D, question number 2. Initially, we want to sketch those two curves. I'll consider this one first. This is standard. To find roots, we want to make y equals 0, x square minus x minus 3 equals 0, then x equals 0 or x equals 3. So it's going to be 0, 0 and 3, 0. We don't need to find when y equals 0 because it is 0, 0 we have already. And this is a cubic equation, a cubic graph. A greater than 0, it means x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, and x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative. And now we can draw the graph. X equals 0 is a repeated root, and this is going to be 3, 0. This is going to be 0, 0. And I can see that this is 2 over x, x, y, and I can see there are two intersection points. Now the question, explain how your sketch shows that there are only two real solutions to this equation. Okay, I can see x cube and there is no y on that equation. It means to find the x value of intersection points, we have to make those two equations are equal, or you can use the another word simultaneously solve this one. Then this will become x cube x minus 3 equal 2. Now this is a quartic equation. When you expand this one, you can see x to the power 4. Then we are expecting two solutions. But we have only two intersection points. Hence, for this equation, we have only two real solutions. You can tell that this is a quartic equation. Hence, there should be four solutions. But there are only two intersection point x's. Hence, there are only two real solutions xh for x cubed times x minus 3 equal to. Question number 3. We have to sketch. We'll start with this one. To find roots, I want to make y equals 0, then x plus 1 cube equals 0, then x plus 1 equal 0, then x equal minus 1. So minus 1 is the repeated root 3 times. And when y equals 0, since there are no 0, 0, then when x equal, not y, we make y equal 0. Now x equals 0, y equal 0 plus 1 cube, which is 1. So 0, 1 is another point we can use. And the a value greater than 0, it means the coefficient of x is positive. That's the meaning I wrote here. A greater than 0, it means x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. X goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. Now we can do for this quadratic equation to find roots. We want to make y equal 0, then 3x times x minus 1 equals 0, x equals 0 or x equal 1. 0, 0 or 1, 0 are the root of those quadratic equation. And here, what are the minus 1, 0? Okay. This is minus 1, going to be a point of inflection. This is 0 and this is 1. So quadratic graph go through. So this is 1, 0. This is 0, 0. This is minus 1, 0. And we know this point. We found out 0, 1. Now we did the sketch. This is x and y axis. Explain how your sketch show that there is only one real solution to the equation x cubed 6x plus 1. Now, to find intersection point, we want to equal those two equations. X plus 1 cube equal 3x minus x minus 1. Then I'll expand this one, x cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 3x square minus 3x. You can write this is 3 times and you can expand this one, x square plus 2x plus 1, then x plus 1. When you multiply, you will get this answer. But here I use binomial. You will learn binomial in future lessons. Then you can apply this one straight away like me. Right. Now this is going to be x cube 3x square minus 3x square plus 3x plus 3x. This will come, bring here plus 1 equals 0. This is cancel out. X cube plus 6x plus 1 equal 0. So you can finally write your answer. This equation has only one real root, as there is only one intersection point exists. Only one intersection point and only one real solution. Others going to be imaginary solutions. 40 question number 4, let's discuss. So we have to sketch this one to find roots y equals 0 minus x times x minus 1 square equals 0, x equals 0 or x equals 1. Now roots are 0, 0 and 1, 0. And I can see that a value is negative when x goes to positive infinity, y goes to negative infinity, and when x goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive infinity. 1 equals 0 is a repeated root. So this is a standard one. We can draw like this. And 0, 0 and 1, 0. This is y, this is x, and this is y equal 1 over x, and this is y equal minus x times x minus 1 square. Now the question is, explain how your sketch show that there are no real solution to this equation. So to find intersection point, we have to make minus x x minus 1 square equal 1 over x. This is become minus x cube x minus 1 over square 1. This is x square, and I'll take to the other side. Then x square x minus 1 square plus 1 equal 0. As your answer should be, this equation has no real solution as there are no intersection points. In the sketch. To find roots, we are going to sketch this on number 5. Y equals 0, then x square times x minus a equals 0, x equals 0 or x equal a 0, 0 and a0 are the roots. Now I can see this is coefficient is greater than 0. It means x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, and x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. This is a standard graph. Let's draw the graph. This is going 0, 0 and a0. And this is the graph y equal b over x. This is x and this is y. and the other side here I can see the two intersection point. To find intersection points, we have to solve those two simultaneously. Solve in 1 and 2 simultaneously. Solving x square minus x minus a equal b over x. This is become x cube. I cross multiply x minus a b. Then I'll expand this x4 minus a x cube. I bring this one to here plus b equals 0. So your answer should be the equation should have as only two real solution as there are only two intersection points. There are only two intersection points. Hence, there are only two real roots. Others are imaginary roots.